How to play Zenless Zone Zero on Mac. So let's get started. So it can be played using emulators or virtualization softwares. So you can use BlueStack or the Play cover. So first, download the BlueStack or install it on your Mac PC. Then search for Zenless Zone Zero in the App Store. Then install and log into the game. Now, BlueStacks runs the Android version of the game, so you need to have some minimum system requirements for BlueStacks, which is a Mac OS 11 or above, and have some Intel, AMD, or Apple Silicon processor, and at least 4 GB RAM and 10 GB free disk space. Now, for using PlayCover, simply just download PlayCover the same as BlueStacks. Then, download the Zenless Zone Zero file from the reputable source. Then drag the file into PlayCover and simply launch the game. So it's not recommended to update play cover as updates may prevent logging into the game. So make sure you don't have an update for play cover. And that's how you can play Zenless Zone Zero with these two methods.